Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to crochet a headband in newborn size. So I'm using acrylic yarn in pink color and a 3.5mm hook. So to start, make a slip knot. So now we are done doing 12 chains, and now for the second row we are doing 11 half double crochet. To do a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain and pull up a loop and yarn over through the 3 loops. There will be 3 loops remaining in your hook, so pull up through the 3. So keep doing your half double crochet, and this is my last half double crochet in this row. So there is a total of 11 stitches, and after that, to end this row, chain 1 and turn. And for row 2, half double crochet in the back loop only. Yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop only and pull up a loop. So there will be 3 loops remaining in the hook, so pull through the 3 loops. Continue doing half double crochet. So you will have to continue doing more rows just like you did for row 2 until you reach 14 inches or your desired value. And don't forget to chain 1 and turn at the end of every row. So here it is. So it is 14 inches long. Is to join the 2 sides to form a circle. So you can do slip stitches to join the 2 sides. So after joining the two ends, you can fasten off, and do remember to leave a long tail. We made the base part, and now we are going to make the bow part. So to make the bow part, chain 34. The bow part is just same like the base part, just there is a difference in the number of chains and stitches. After doing 6 rows, you can chain one and fasten off and leave a long tail. After joining the ends, you can make it into a bow shape using the long tail you left, and you can tie a knot on the back side, and make sure to tie it very tightly